Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Yeah man, so you know after the storm and everything, a lot of people lose a lot of things. Some of us are giving an update what took place in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. A lot of people lose them house top, also them farm. So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So you have a lot of trees down, a lot of sheds down.
Not a call. When you see me come over there and you call me the one time, little, that's it. Everything just went.
Today guys, I'm in the St. Elizabeth area. Trust me, St. Elizabeth people get beaten by the hurricane. A lot of people building has been down. Not looking so good in St. Elizabeth. Not looking so good in St. Elizabeth area. So I go on with people. As far as you can see, a lot of down utility poles and trees, shop top, blow off. Telling you what I go on. It's not a good look for St. Elizabeth. Not a good look. So, big up on yourself anyway when I watch from yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. So, I'm also on the road, driving, showing what I go on, clean up the road same way. Everybody have to come together and give a helping hand. Everybody going to depend on the government to do this and do that. But we all need to come together and see what we can do for ourselves. Yeah man, so big up on yourself. So I am in the Newell area, Newell in St. Elizabeth at the clinic. So you can see what take place at the clinic. I'm telling my people a lot of damage in St. Elizabeth. Also, I think this is the infant school. The infant school in the Newell area. Yeah man, so the rooftop gone. So anybody who can donate anything to assist with them place here. I know people from all over the world watching. Jamaica get badly impacted. So when we talk about the health center, you know, people always come at the health center. Also the infant school. So anybody can donate anything to help out the situation. They all can reach out to different authorities and help Jamaica, because it's not a good look. This unbelievable, my people. This was on this, and this blew over. St.Elizabeth Parish. Where I'm at right now, I'm in the Southfield area in St. Elizabeth. Southfield Health Center. So this is what Southfield Health Center look like at the moment in St. Elizabeth. See, the rooftop gone. Yeah man, so I'm going over the Southfield Health Center. A lot of mangoes on the dirt. Don't know what kind of mango them here. Everything blow off of the tree. Yeah man, so I'm going there. So I'm just giving an update for St. Elizabeth. We're going to St. Elizabeth. Whole heap of mango there. Mango like crazy. But a lot of things get damaged. So St. Elizabeth, rough me people, rough. So you have heavy wind. All of the clinic top.